Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create a ghost effect using this CapCut body effect. So here I've already opened the CapCut mobile and you can just add your video and then go to where you want to add the ghost effect. For example, I'm going to add it in here. Then just click on the effect, body effect, swipe and choose the mood category, then just select this departing soul effect. Click on that and here is the result, but you can always adjust it. You can adjust the speed. I'm going to lower the speed into around 20, the intensity 65, and the stickers I'm going to lower it. Here just click on a check icon and this is the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.